It's time to awaken this vintage beauty. If we do this right, this cherry red 1937 Austin 7 ruby will leave here better than the day it was built.
Hidden away for decades, the 1937 Austin 7 ruby waited patiently for discovery. I can't believe we found it. A 37 ruby.
She's finally here.
A bit dusty, but the bodywork looks solid.
The chassis raise reveals the compact body and the original suspension. Note the dried mud and the heavy oil residues.
The first point of concern is the transmission seal. This level of leakage suggests deferred maintenance.
All right, with the wheel finally off, you can see the state of these old drums. Quite a bit of dust and grime built up over the decades. With the black wire wheel now free, we get a clear view of the worn hub and the accumulated barn dirt on the inner arch.
Here we see the bare hub of the 37 ruby. Every speck of rust, every oxidized fastener speaks to its long life on the road.
Look at the state of these grime lines.
Yeah, that hasn't been touched in decades. This fastening point is completely rusted. 70 years of grime holding this one in. Gently does it now. We don't want to snap the wiring.
Lifting the windshield reveals the true age of this ruby. Notice the cloudy glass and the deep patina on the cherry red cowl beneath.
As the panel comes away, we can see the original clips and the layers of faded trim beneath the dust pockets.
Lifting the seat reveals the true state of the floor pan. It's heavily oxidized, but surprisingly solid given the age.
Underneath the brittle rubber, we found exactly what we feared: extensive rust blooms and decades of trapped moisture.
Clearing the rear compartment reveals the extent of the work needed. Look at the faded paint and those original curved panels.
All right, the lines are off. Now for the mounting bolts. You can see the grime halo where it sat for all those years.
Here we see the precise moment the fender separates, revealing the original paint shadows and the intricate metalwork of this classic ruby. This is where the moisture collects. We're looking at nearly 80 years of rust and debris packed tightly against the body shell.
After nearly 90 years, the seam was fused with rust. But with a little leverage, the running board finally gives way, revealing the chassis beneath.
With a car this age, precision is everything. We're carefully easing the hinge away, revealing the stress crack.
Removing the radiator housing on the 7 ruby is a delicate process, revealing decades of oxidized residue.
Removing the original wiring is a delicate process. We follow the channels, revealing how the factory routed the loom back in 37. Here we see the pedal box of the 37 ruby. The grease and rust tell the story of its mechanical age. Before us is the bare shell of a 1937 Austin 7 ruby. Every imperfection tells a story.
Look at that, absolutely caked in here. We're finally getting down to the original underseal on this ruby.
As the foam slowly descends, it carries away the dirt, exposing the vibrant cherry red paintwork of this 1937 model. Here we see the crucial first stage of the deep clean. The brushes tease out the dirt trapped deep within the ruby's distinctive grille.
As you can see, the water quickly turns grey, but the shine beneath is worth the effort.
Meticulously working the tight folds of this 1937 ruby reveals the factory paint beneath the decades of grease. The results are always worth the effort.
The key here is patience. We work the brush in small circles, lifting decades of grime and revealing the manufacturing.
First, we apply the cleaning solution to break down these mineral deposits and ensure a smooth polish.
This is the original backing plate from the 37 ruby. We use a stiff brush and solvent to reveal the stamp details underneath the grime.
As the brown runoff is stripped away, the true beauty of the original forged steel becomes clear. A testament to 30s engineering. Caked in decades of grime, this Austin 7 pedal assembly is finally coming clean. Look at that silver shine through the muck.
These tiny bezels and knobs, authentic to the 1937 ruby, require a meticulous hand to clean the fine knurling without erasing the patina of age.
This repetitive cleaning process is essential, ensuring every panel seam is pristine before the next stage of restoration.
The final rinse reveals the flawless cherry red finish of this magnificent 1937 Austin 7 ruby.
This crevice blowout technique ensures no water spots are left behind, leaving a flawless finish on the cherry red paint.
The microfiber lifts the haze, revealing the true depth of the cherry red. But as you can see, the patina and scratches remain
Teckled. The cherry red finish is beautiful, but the neutral light exposes every flaw. We have significant waviness along
The 1937 Austin 7 ruby. Stripped back to its core, every dent and imperfection tells a story before the rebuild begins. This is the heart of the 1937 Austin 7 ruby.
Our first task is to get these side covers off, which haven't been touched in decades.
Once the studs are clear, the heavy cylinder head can be carefully lifted away, revealing the decades of carbon buildup within the chambers. And with the final cap removed, the crankshaft, though heavy, must be gently coaxed from its 70-year-old home. We use a fine grit sanding disc to carefully remove the years of rust, revealing the original metal of this Austin 7 bracket.
This is the body filler mapping process. The guide reflections highlight the subtle waves in the metal, ensuring a flawless finish for this 1937 Austin. Here we see the precise application of the TIG welder, repairing the lower edge of the Austin 7's body shell.
The flexible spreader allows us to achieve precise contour accuracy on this classic 1937 Austin 7 Ruby. This is the fitment test. We put the panels on and check all the gaps before finalizing the bodywork.
As the water cascades over the cherry red panel, the wet sanding process begins, smoothing the primer to reveal the car's flawless contours.
The bright, flat surface you see here is achieved through a meticulous grinding process.
To restore this Austin 7 crank, we carefully polish the journals. It's a delicate balance to achieve this perfect.
With meticulous precision, the fresh bearing is seated into the 1937 Austin 7 Ruby engine block.
We're now sliding the renewed piston into the Austin 7 Ruby block. The lubricant ensures a smooth passage past the ring compressor. Here we see the restored valves and springs returning to the cylinder head, snapping into a coherent vintage mechanism once more.
After sandblasting and priming, the arms receive their final coat. We allow ample time for the satin black enamel to cure completely before reassembly. The wire wheels of the Austin 7 Ruby demand precision. Every spoke is cleaned, the rim edges restored. The final stage is crucial. Ensuring the bead seats correctly on this 1937 Austin 7 Ruby wire. Preserving the identity of this 1937 Ruby means perfectly matching the original deep cherry red finish.
The key to a perfect finish lies in the preparation. This tack wipe ensures the surface is completely free of contaminants before painting.
The graceful side sweep begins as the first coat of cherry red lands on the 1937 Austin 7 Ruby.
Inside the curing booth, the freshly painted cherry red 1937 Austin 7 Ruby radiates under warm. Restoring a classic like the 1937 Austin 7 Ruby means achieving this balance. This 1937 Austin 7 Ruby is finally ready for its transformation. Every component, from the
Easy now, watch the clearance on the firewall. Perfect, she's home.
Once the splines are engaged, we use the torque wrench to secure the bell housing bolts to the factory specifications, ensuring everything is precise. Centering the slim, three-spoke wheel is crucial to maintaining the Ruby's original character. With the torque wrench, we ensure it's perfectly secured to the column.
With the panel aligned, we apply firm pressure along the seams, ensuring a perfect fit against the classic body lines.
The chrome shield grille and round headlights return to the nose of the cherry red 1937 Austin 7 Ruby.
Just a hair to the left. Perfect.
Securing the bolts now.
Beautiful. That's exactly right.
The folding mechanism, a marvel of engineering, requires meticulous care to ensure the tension is just right for that perfect finish.
Listen to that exhaust pulse. She's alive again.
Few cars capture the imagination quite like the Austin 7. This Ruby model, beautifully restored, truly shines in the evening light.
The 1937 Austin 7 Ruby, seen here cutting through the evening air, remains a timeless piece of automotive history.
This magnificent 1937 Austin 7 Ruby truly represents the pinnacle of classic engineering and design. Built in 1937, this Austin 7 Ruby finds its rest in the golden hour, a true classic of British motoring.
Every inch of this cherry red classic speaks to the countless hours of meticulous restoration work.
The 1937 Austin 7 Ruby, a testament to pre-war British engineering, truly shines in the golden hour.
If you want more real classic restorations like this 1937 Austin 7 Ruby, follow along for the next build. Leave a comment with the classic car you want restored next, and we'll bring another legend back to life.